If a tile chips or breaks during cutting, stop and assess whether the piece can still be used or needs recutting. Start by examining the chip or break to determine if it affects a visible edge or a hidden area. Use a fine diamond blade or a score and snap cutter for ceramic and porcelain tiles, and a wet saw with a proper diamond blade for natural stone, maintaining a slow feed rate to reduce vibration. Support the tile on a flat, stable surface and clamp it if possible so the tile does not flex. When cutting on a wet saw, rest the tile on both sides of the cut and let the saw do the work without forcing it. If a chip appears along the cut line, finish the cut all the way through rather than stopping and backtracking, since partial cuts increase the chance of further breakage. For edge chips, hand finish with a rubbing stone or a sanding block designed for tile to remove roughness and blend the edge. When a break renders a piece unusable for its intended location, mark the tile and recut a new tile, taking more care with support and feed speed rather than trying to salvage a badly fractured piece. Common mistakes include applying too much downward pressure, which causes cracking, not supporting the tile properly so it flexes and breaks, and rushing cuts without the correct blade or feed speed, which leads to spalling. Ease pressure and let the cutting tool do the work to prevent cracks. Always support the tile near the cut and use clamps or a backing board to stop flex. Slow your feed, use the correct diamond blade for the material, and make a full controlled cut rather than stopping midline to avoid chipping. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors who list their services so users can compare options and message professionals directly. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share project tips, troubleshooting advice, and real-world experience to help both homeowners and contractors find work and solve problems together.